Here's yet another Schindler 5500 MRL at Westfield, Mount Gravatt. With number 6, maximum load 2,000 kilos, 26 persons, will do a cab for you. Going down.
Elevator going down. Doors closing. Doors closing. Rear. Doors opening. Elevator going down.
Hang on, this has a really funny glitch. So level 2 is still light up and
Rear. Doors closing.
we're on level R. Why, Mount Gravatt? Why would you choose? You know, we'll sort it out. We'll sort it out here. Hopefully that will make it not be on level roof anymore. Trust me, that lift is so dodgy. That's it.